Today we're going to show you how to change a key fob in an F30. You see we have our key fob here. We have a 2450 battery. I'll have a link for Amazon below for this battery. But I already had it pre-done. There's the battery. Now the easiest way to do it is you just pop your valley key across. You have to do it this way. But within this, there's a little slot right here. You put your key in there, but don't turn it and don't pry on it. Just push it in really hard and slightly up, and you see it'll pop that top right off. Alright, so now the battery's in there. It's in there pretty secure, so you're either going to need a small screwdriver or something. I actually like to use the battery casing. You can just put it in there and just slide it around. You see how it just pops right out? We put the new one in. Pop that on there. Put our valley key back in. And she works. I hope you enjoyed that. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.